Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. In this video, I'll show you how to replace an inlet valve on a Zanussi washing machine. If your washing machine is not filling or it's showing error code E11, then suspect the inlet valve, but do check your water pressure and the inlet valve filter before replacing the inlet valve itself. Now, safety first, always disconnect an appliance before carrying out any work. I'm going to start by removing the top of the appliance by undoing the two screws here and here that hold it in place. With the top of the washing machine off, here we can see the inlet valve, which is located at the back of the machine. No screws that hold it in place, as it simply twists and locks into position. But to remove it from the washing machine, the first thing I need to do is to disconnect these two hoses by using a pair of pliers to simply pinch the Jubilee clips, work those down the hose, and then we can disconnect the hoses themselves. Next, just disconnect the electrical connections, and then we're free to remove the inlet valve from the washing machine itself. Now at the back of the machine, so we can remove the inlet valve, simply push in the left-hand pip first, then the right-hand pip, and then you're free to simply twist the inlet valve out. Next thing we need to do is to transfer the hoses from the old inlet valve to our new one. It's worth pointing out at this stage that the new inlet valve is a new design, so it does look slightly different from the old one. To remove the hoses, again, grab a pair of pliers, pinch the Jubilee clips in, move them down the hose, and then we can take them off our old inlet valve and put them on the new one. Once these are in place, you can then fit the valve to the machine itself. And to fit our new inlet valve, simply push it through until the two tabs clear left and right, and then twist into position until the pips come through, like so. I can now reconnect the hose, push into position as far as you can, and then make sure that the Jubilee clip secures the hose over the plastic end. Be aware that on some machines the hoses will be different sizes, so make sure you're putting the hose back in the correct position. Once the hoses are in place, I can then reconnect the electrical connections. Now these connections are color coded, so the brown sticker on the back of this one goes into the brown one here, and the green one goes into the green connection here. But also the length of the wires is a good indicator of which one goes where, as the green one has a much longer wire, so it can go to the green one which is further away. Now the electrical connections and the hoses are fitted, we can now refit the top of the washing machine. So there we have it, one new inlet valve fitted to this Zanussi washing machine. Remember, spares and accessories for all the appliances around your home can be found on the eSpares website. Thanks for watching.